Look what I just got in, guys. This is a wheel balancer from Trackstar and Hobbyking. So I'll put you guys on time lapse and I'll put this thing together and I'll put some drift wheels on there. We'll see if this is something that can actually be used for drifting. I'm wondering if my wheels are balanced or if they need to be balanced, if I'll get better performance if I do balance my wheels. So let me put you guys on time lapse and I'll see you guys in a sec. Okay guys, well this is how this works. It has a little 8th scale adapter for the wheels there. You know, you basically rotate the tire and you make sure that it's not heavy in one certain spot. 10th scale wheels are probably not going to have a whole lot of difference going on with them unless you see some really gross weight mismanagement with the wheel and the rim. But the one thing I'm finding this really good for is that when I spin this, I notice that the wheel kind of bobbles up and down a little bit. And let's see here. You can kind of hear that. These drift wheels actually have a little O-ring in the inside of them that helps it seat and everything. So I'm thinking maybe that O-ring might be bunched up in the inside somewhere. So that's one. This is like a scale wheel. It's got a lot of little intricacies to it. So let's try this one here. I think this one is a little bit smoother. And I did check these sets of wheels which are brand new, and these definitely are a little bit more true. They are brand new, and they don't require that little O-ring thing in there. So this one, if you hear it when I put the tool against it, it's more evenly pronounced when you hear it. It's not just like crack, 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 crack. It's like all the way around, but definitely very true, or excuse me, it's well balanced. But like I said, just that I'm gonna probably need to reseat the O-ring in this tire to make sure that it gets seated correctly. And actually, if I look at the edge of the tire here, if you guys take a look here, there's a bit of a gap there which I can get my fingernail in between. So definitely the O-ring is probably bunched up in this one. Let me just show you this one. This is one of my front wheels, and this is definitely going to throw off your front steering if it's spinning fast and you've got this going on. You hear that? It's just hitting like every revolution. So I'm glad I got this tool. It's pretty handy. It's small. It's really well built. If you take a look at all the nice CNC machine parts here, it was a little hard to get this red piece into here, but I just kind of tapped it in with a hammer. I also lubed both bearings with some Dumontech, which is a mountain bike lube, but it's really high-tech stuff. But it's really easy to use. You just use the little knurled thumb wheels here, pull off the wheel here. There's a little race here that this rests on the race of the bearing that's inside here. You can put I actually put the wheel in either way, this way or this way for the 10 scale, and it does match the hole size for the 10 scale drift cars. This is the Yokomo YD2S Plus. So that's basically it. I think this is a really good deal. It's really inexpensive. I actually got this on the sale price. I will put a link in the description down below. So guys, it's maybe a good thing for you drifters out there to check your wheel balance and also how true it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and remount one of my tires here to make sure I can get it a little bit better seated. Okay guys, postscript here. This is that same tire that I had the little wobble on, and take a look now. Scraping all the way around, so it is much truer than it was. That's it. I just wanted to show you that I just remounted this little guy right here, and it's spinning nice and free now. Hey guys, I hope you like this video, and I'll bring you some more just like this coming up soon, so make sure you subscribe and give me a thumbs up, hit that bell, and we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.